Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be my Eid inspired makeup look. If you guys want to see this look, stay tuned and continue watching. I'm starting off with my primer and I'm going to apply this all over my face. I'm going to bring this down all the way to my neck also. Moving on to my foundation, I'm going to use this Nars Radiant foundation. I'm going to apply this all over my face and I'm using a damp beauty blender to distribute this all over my face. After I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to apply concealer. I'm using two different concealer. One is from Makeup Revolution and other one is from Tarte Shape Tape. The Makeup Revolution one I'm using mainly for discoloration, also for my dark circles, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape to highlight my face. And I'm gonna go back to my damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend this all over my face. After that, I'm going to set my face using Maybelline Fit Me powder, and before I set my face, I'm going to make sure there is no creases underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the powder wherever I applied my concealer. For my bronzer, I'm using this Makeup Forever Bronze Fusion and I'm going to apply this right on my cheekbone, jawline, a little bit my forehead. Then for my blush, I'm using this Milani blush and I'm going to apply this right over top of my bronzer. For highlighter, I'm using this Anastasia X Amrezy highlighter and I'm going to apply this right on top of my cheekbones. I highly recommend this highlighter. This is such a beautiful highlighter for brown skin. And also, I'm using this Morphe brush. I'll leave the name and number description box, so make sure you guys check that out. I really like this brush. It's perfect for those areas that you want to highlight. Moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use the tartiest palette and I'm going to take this 2 brown color and apply this all over my crease. I'm not being really precise with the shade, I'm just throwing this color all over my crease area first. After this shade, I'm going to take this darker plum kind of color and I'm going to apply this mainly to my outer corner, also my inner corner. So I'm creating a halo look, so I'm mainly focusing those two colors, inner corner and outer corner, and slightly bring this to my crease. Then I'm going to take another plumish kind of color and I'm going to repeat the same step until I like the way it looks. I'm going to go from lighter to darker now. So I'm going to use another dark shade, repeating the same exact step. But this time I'm using more pointy and more detailed brush. And I am absolutely loving this brush. This is from e.l.f. If you guys haven't tried this brush, I think you guys should try that. You guys gonna really like it. And now I'm gonna highlight my inner corner, also my brow bone. Moving on, I'm going to cut my crease right in the center and I'm going to apply this bronze silverish kind of color. And to blend this shadow, I'm going to apply a brown shade in between so there is no harsh line. And after that, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and I'm going to apply this right on top as my eyeliner. And then I'm going to apply a brown liner on my waterline. Then to smoke it out even more, I'm going to use this 3 color to blend everything together for my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this glitter from Urban Decay and I'm going to place this glitter right in the center where I used my bronze kind of color. I'm going to apply this It's gonna take your eye look to the next level. I really, really, really like it. Now I'm going to apply my lashes, and these are Amore lashes. Then I'm going to apply some mascara to my waterline and to my top lash. After that, I'm going to take my Kat Von D highlighter, and I'm going to apply this right underneath my eyes to highlight my face a little bit more. And then going back to the same highlighter, I'm going to apply this right over top where I used it previously. For my lipstick, I'm going to use different color, so it's a bunch of colors. I'm going to mix them, and this is it. I'm going to leave all the lipstick color and name in the description box, so guys should check that out if you guys like the way it looks. But this is the completed look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.